Okay, first let's get the apple seed from the apple corn. One, two, three. You can see the seed quality is very good. 1, 2, 3. Okay, everything is ready. Then let's show you how to grow the apple from seeding. Let's open the plastic planter first. Actually, it's not easy to open this plastic container. Let's try it hard. Okay, now it's opened. However, this cover, we can use it as a tree and put it under the container. In the container, there is a mesh net and a bag of substrate. You can grow any plant with this substrate. And for the mesh net, you can put it under the container over the hole in the bottom. First step, let's put the ceramsite in the bottom container. We often only need to fill 1/3 of container. That's enough so that the water can go away smoothly. Then pour down the substrate into the container. We often pour down a bag of substrate into the container. Okay, finish. You can press a little tight and make it even to the level. Okay, let's go to the next step. Third step, let's dig a hole. Dig a hole with 3 or 4 centimeter deep. And then put the apple seed into the hole. We have 3 apple seeds, so we put 3 apple seeds into the hole. And then cover them with the substrate and press a little even. Fourth step, use the watering can to give water. At the beginning, we need to give enough water, more water, so that the apple seed can grow very fast. Use this spray can make the water to everywhere, so the container can have enough water. Often a can of water is enough for this container. Okay, finish. Let's wait for 3 or 5 days and come back to check. There are 3 tips we need to mention. First one, control watering. Our substrate has good performance of keeping water, so please water the plants in every 5 or 7 days. Depends on the moisture of substrate. Second one, control enough sunlight. If there is no enough light in your space, you can use LED grow lights to take a replace. Third one, control fertilizer. Offer fertilizer every week. Less is better than more. Last step, don't forget to make a label in order to remember when you make the CD. That's all. Hope you can love our video, and let's share the growing experience with you in the future. Thank you.